I hate trying things on because I know other people wore it, but I hate how they're so dirty. But those are not mine. Only these are mine right now. I'm definitely gonna get that. That's so pretty. It's not even in my size. I love the oversized look. And I'm definitely not gonna get this because if you see the arm, what is happening there? The arms. Yellow, definitely not my color. Yes, I love my sweatshirts. I actually thrifted a sweatshirt from Forever 21 from here. So I wanted to see this on me and I imagined it more like crop, so I'll probably crop it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I forgot to end it, but I will be doing a thrift haul soon and maybe a thrift flip because some of them were not that good. I did not show you all of them, but I did give you a little sneak peek. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want more videos, go to my IGTV because I have record collection and I have a first person morning routine and a lot of other stuff, so make sure you go check that out. My social media down below. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, I haven't been doing shout outs. Last week's shout out goes to this lovely person on the screen, and love you guys. Bye.